Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest weather analysis for this Tuesday to Thursday, August 22 to 24, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat that we issued early this morning. And we are monitoring it's already 3 low pressure areas in the Western Pacific and into the Philippine Sea. And the first one here, 98W, is expected to dissipate in the next couple of hours. And we have another one here, which is becoming an active one. It has a medium chance of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. So we are keeping an eye on this system. But although the computer models are forecasting it to become disorganized in a couple of days. And there's an interesting smaller system here, which is a part of the trough, part of the surface trough from 98W, which is starting to organize well. And it's likely to become 91W within the next 24 hours. We are still awaiting from data from NOAA and the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. But so far, it's now a shallow low pressure area, a weak one, developing to the east of Santa Ana, Cagayan. So we are going to monitor this, since this may pose a threat to extreme northerly Luzon within the next 5 to 7 days. So we are going to observe this weather system. Let's hope it will dissipate. But as you can see here in the Philippine Islands, lots of thunderstorms are expected during the afternoon or evening for the next couple of days, as well as the surface trough here over Mindanao, but is expected to transform into more localized thunderstorm activity. And the southwesterly surface wind flow remains here over the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea. But so far, if this LPA will intensify and this one will also intensify, we expect the southwest monsoon to return and bring on enough rainfall across western Mindanao, Mimaropa, western Visayas, and later, probably early next week, we might be seeing some monsoon effects over the western sections of southern Luzon, including Metro Manila. So we are going to observe this couple of systems that is expected to develop within the next 5 to 7 days. So all eyes on that weather system. And here's the fast animation. So you can clearly see the midget system here to the east of Cagayan. And again, during the afternoon or evening, lots of thunderstorms are producing heavy rainfall. Lots of lightning strikes all across the country. Even here in Naga City, we have a very strong thunderstorm with so many lightning strikes around 1:30 to 3 p.m. And here's the other LPA that we are observing. So it looks like we are moving into another week of rain event, as the southwest monsoon will again become active. Okay, during the past 2 weeks, it's quite dry because of the monsoon break and the dry phase of the Madden-Julian Oscillation. So if the Madden-Julian Oscillation moves into the Western Pacific this coming week, so we expect multiple formation of tropical cyclones of the Western Pacific and the enhancement of the southwest monsoon. Okay, and here's the zoom in satellite animation for the Philippine Islands. You can clearly see here massive thunderstorms all over Luzon, and also one here over Metro Manila as of this time. And also Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao are with lots of localized thunderstorm. And this is the low pressure area that we are observing right now. And by tomorrow, in our next GovSat, so we will mention that system. And on Thursday, when we are back, we might be giving you more information about this midget or very small low pressure system that is not detected by computer models like the American model, although the European model is forecasting this to develop within the next 5 to 7 days. So we are all eyes on this small system. And as we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model for the next 3 days, you can clearly see here the very small circulation of that LPA to the east of Cagayan. By tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday, that LPA will start to move towards the north, and here's the other LPA northeast of Guam. That's LPA 90W, and most likely this could become a 91W. Thursday afternoon, LPA is now to the east of Taiwan, and the other one approaching Northern Marianas as an active LPA. And on Friday, the LPA, the shallow LPA, which we are monitoring, is now expected to move more to the south as the monsoon trough becomes active here. So the monsoon trough most likely is currently at this position. Okay, if this is the monsoon trough, and that's the way it is. So some steering environment will push this system more to the south. So we are keeping an eye because of this very large monsoon depression to the northeast of the Guam, which is 90W. And on Saturday afternoon, this LPA will remain as a monsoon depression, and it depends on the weather agencies like Japan and Joint Typhoon Warning Center if they will upgrade this. But based on the model, it's still a monsoon depression, and here's the small system that could develop quickly into a tropical cyclone. So most likely we'll be issuing advisories on this system if it does intensify on Saturday, and on Monday it will become a very small tropical storm to the east of Casiguran. So thunderstorms because of the trough from this LPA will be expected here, and the enhancement of the southwest monsoon. Okay, and the other one is no longer there. Okay, so that's the scenario of this small LPA to the east of Cagayan. So we are going to monitor that system. It's a surprise situation right now, but let's see in the next couple of runs on this computer model. The American model is showing, let me show it to you. Okay, so there you go. Nothing, just a very weak LPA, but it's there. Okay, so we will get back to you guys on Thursday if what will be the scenario of that small LPA. So for the next 3 days until Thursday or Friday, we expect more thunderstorms across Luzon, Mimaropa, Visayas, Bicol region included, and Mindanao. And this is mainly due to the localized thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening, and the possible enhancement of the southwest monsoon because of this small LPA to the east of Cagayan. So right now it's more of a localized thunderstorms. We don't see any let me return to the current situation. So this is now the current situation. There's no southwest monsoon here. The southwest monsoon is only along the coastal waters of Vietnam. So this is more of a thunderstorm or local thunderstorm situation right now. Okay, no winds from the southwest as we speak. So that's the latest for this Tuesday evening. We will turn on Thursday to give you more updates from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always. Have a great evening, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.